Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this white bridal wristlet. I used appliques and white halfback beads. I really love how this turned out. In addition, I'm also making a pair of shoes to match it, so please be on the lookout for that video. This was super easy to make. And the theme is just, I know that December and November are two of the most popular months to get engaged. Plus it's cold outside. With the snow, I just thought this was such a perfect way to incorporate both themes. So if you think this is cute and you want to add it to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I made the appliques out of this fabric. I used E6000 glue and FabricTac for the adhesive, and I used a white coach wristlet as the base. For the beading, I used white halfback beads in 7mm, 5mm, 4mm, and 3mm. Because the fabric is so fancy, all I have to do is cut the pattern out of it and attach it to the wristlet. So I'm going to cut out a couple of patterns just to give you an idea of what I mean, and I'll be right back. Here are the appliques that I cut out, and I just placed them over some black material so that you could better see them. I cut fairly smaller pieces because the surface of the wristlet is not that big. I do want to cover the entire surface, but I want to make sure that I leave room for beading. So my next step is to add these appliques onto the wristlet using the FabricTac glue. This is what the wristlet looks like now that the appliques have been added. This is the front and this is the back, and you could really leave it like this. I think it looks really pretty, but I'm a big fan of texture and contrast, so I'm going to keep going and add the beads, and I'll show you my progress as I go along. This is the progress of the wristlet so far, and I just went along the edge with the 3mm beads and just did a little border. Now I'm going to go around some of the appliques and I'll show you the progress. This is the progress so far. So I have started beading the front of the bag, and I've started beading inside of the applique just to give it that extra detail. I'm going to keep going and check in a little bit. As a reminder, this is what the wristlet looked like before. This is the final result. I love how this turned out. I love that the fabric is sparkly and then it plays off of the beads. This is the front. This is the back. Let me pull this up a little bit. It's just so pretty. And I think it's one of the best bridal wristlets I've ever made. It just adds so much. And it was super easy to make. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.